I want to take a minute to tell you about one of my favorite groups that I work with, Eventyr 9 Yards. It's a Scandinavian event company that works in Sweden, Norway, Finland, anywhere in the North. And they help you plan your event from start to finish, production, handle the speakers, films, everything. And they are first class. And I've worked with them many times at places like Globen or this beach place in Skåne called Falkenberry, where I just spoke at an event. And they threw this amazing party, this bonfire beach party. They had a tent on the beach for 160 people, dinner with an 8-person band playing in front of the water. It was so nice. And they really lift the event and take care of the customer and smile, and they're just wonderful hosts. So if you have an event, I really urge you to call them. They don't, I didn't get paid for doing this. They don't even know I'm doing this. This is simply a love letter to one of my favorite collaborators. So thank you, Eventyr 9 Yards.